Welcome. Today in front of me VIVO X80 Pro, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on that device. So for example, let's imagine that we want to create the folder with these three applications. Just to do that, hold for a while one from these apps and drag this app to another one. Now we can see here the new created home screen folder on our device home screen. By the same way, we can add here more applications. If you want to rename this folder, just click here once on this name. To remove the name in one click, just click here on this X icon and enter the new one, for example the apps. Then just tap to OK, and now we can see that we just successfully renamed our device home screen folder. If you want to move this folder on the screen, that's not a problem, just hold it and drag it after that. By this way we can move folders between the screens, that's not a problem, and also we can create the new screens with these folders. If you want to remove some applications from here, just hold the app and drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove the application from the home screen and from the folder, just hold it for a while and then click here to remove. But don't worry, you will stay with these applications in the apps menu here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.